preparation for the movie.
Jane!
Naka-block ang YouTube dito sa pagod na ako mag-matulog. Japanese scientists have filmed a giant squid during a study on habitats in the deep sea. The specimen caught on tape was a little over 3 meters long. Scientists say the squids live in the deep end. Hindi kasi pa rin 24 ang feeding today.
24. You live in. Out na isang dilo eh. Internet.
24. Yeah, nasa.
47. Meron ba tayo? 15. Ready.
Comic books and action figures are a big hit across all ages and collectors. To help us find and identify the top collectors are Azrael Vladimir and founder of Transformers Philippines. Yes, we have a group called Transformers Philippines. I feel like a kid again with all these toys, all these comic books in front of us. Let's talk about collectibles first. Bakit tayo meron po sabi na there have been a lot of people who own old stuff and collecting new stuff also, hoping that they will be collecting. Why the boom? Why the sudden? Well, not the sudden, but why the immediate sudden?
Well, because of the power of media. So the movies are already creating a lot of and it's already high-end for people, kids and adults. And because of the technology today, we create the toys a lot more easier and a lot more good and necessary. So it's for us it's a collectible which is happen only today and you can't see it tomorrow.
Mark focused on just the Transformers series of comic books. Was anything connected to Transformers? When did you start?
Started in June 6, 2002. It started to stay for the years.
2002. So that was 4 years ago. There was no announcement yet of a movie being made about the Transformers, but still started.
Yes, because way back in the late 90s, there was actually I was looking for one. A friend suggested that I started. Actually, the forums were like 200 but we yes, outside. And then we usually meet every Latin and Sunday.
What do you do? I'm assuming that since Latin Transformers watched it during the 80s,
yes.
90s, 90s,
well, in 1984.
1984, so they're all almost around 30s.
Yes, 30-year-old.
It's okay. Kaya alam ko rin sila. What do you do in those events?
We meet up in one place where we do fancy meetings of our specific movies. And then we usually bring our new stuff and we just share it with other fans who have made toys.
Okay, we have familiar faces here. The smaller ones you can still identify. The old members, original members. This one is Starscream.
Yes. From the original.
From the original group of 7 clubs. This is Jazz.
Yes, this is a modern version of Jazz with the it's licensed cars. Because usually today we can just like the old before original Jazz was then there's a toy line that is based for diagrams for bigger fans. So they came out with Jazz as an RX-8 Mazda. It came out like 2 years ago. Yes, it's a
modern version.
Yes, it's a modern version. No, it's an older compact. Well, actually, Volkswagen will follow.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like basically that they don't want to have war toys in their product.
Okay, we have much bigger toys here. Tell them,
This one's Primus returns into a planet, sorry, Cybertron. And
that's the planet. That's the
yes,
planet.
That's
the whole
planet.
planet now transformed.
Yes, and this is Omega Supreme. That's from the Energon line, the series that came out 2 years ago. And this is Unicron, the planet-eating robot from the movie.
Yes.
And he came out with a Armada line, the first one that came out in 2001.
Okay, Azrael, back to you. Let's talk about Collectibles Unlimited. What is that group?
Well, Collectibles Unlimited is an association of collectors, hobbyists, and people who just love this kind of stuff.
So is it just is it an umbrella organization of all the?
Yes, it's of course association of Philippines, which we held every year. The Philippine Toys Hobbyist Collectibles, the biggest convention.
Yes, I've heard about it. They call it the toy. What happens here?
So Toy Con is a convention which featured the new toys and the old toys, and we invited collectors and hobbyists and shop owners to have a booth and sell their items at affordable prices, sell some high-end price that keep each other. So every year we have a series of program activities for kids and for who are also an anime fan and toy collectors. We organize a customized toy contest which they create their own toy which is held every year.
Okay, I'll ask you both. What makes a toy or an object a collectible? Paano mo siya ma-identify? We have a new line of toys, as you said. How can you tell that it's going to be a collectible in the future?
This is also based on research. You see that how
Sometimes we call it collectible if a toy has a limited run only. For example, this figure circulates along the world for 100 cases. So for us, it's already a collectible. It's a must-have item. And also, it's like a dollar. We have small items.
But a lot of other items become collectible years after. When suddenly there is a resurgence of people that, hey, I like that product. Well, talk about it. Let's talk about. I read something about the old He-Man plastic toys, G.I. Joe.
you have a one
Yes,
system right now.
Voltes 5. But these were toys that they had a lot of products. They were not exactly there, but they become collectibles years after also. Let's talk about the old toys now. How can you classify a toy or an object or a comic book as a collectible? Ganun na din, parang
very key, and how much is this value? Toy prices are around 10,000. So when you're collectible, it's very expensive.
Let's talk about the category. What category of collectibles is more demand or lots of people are collecting comic books, toys?
It depends. Collectibles, it has a lot of categories. Basket toys, Mr. Figures, dolls, Barbies, everything is a collectible.
Shit, all that.
This is a samurai engine from samurai. That's Japan. For now, this is a
This one of the points. That's why it's a collectible.
Okay, we now have a question from a viewer, Mark from Makati. If I want to start collecting, what should I consider? What do you have to do to preserve that?
Depends on your point of view being a collector. There are collectors who doesn't really complete the characters, their favorite characters. It depends on what you like, what you love about it.
Is it costly?
It depends. Not really. Well, it depends on how you
Unless you're looking for a real
Yeah.
vintage,
Real things.
rare item.
CCTV that costs a lot more than a car.
What kind of item? Can you give us a sample of an item that very rare item, very expensive item?
Well, for example, the first one is comic book. Rare, and if I remember, we have only 7 pieces. Only 7 in mint condition. This is the very rare.
One is for reading, one is for don't know it.
Just preserve it, and then in the future,
Put it in the safe. Trying to open it. We're talking about comic books, preservation of comic books. As I just related, my friend did not open it. How long does it last? Even if you preserve it, even if you put it in a safe place, doesn't it get, it won't get crumpled, but won't the pages, won't the ink fade, or colors change after all those years?
Before, during the 90s, they were using different materials. The paper, it depends on the paper. Now, they're using high quality paper.
it's already glossy.
It's glossy, and it lasts longer. This is a new series, or
Well, let's say old ones. I cannot decide.
So I didn't want to touch it.
That's okay. It's for reading, and there's just a digital
Which makes it more expensive in the future.
Well, it depends. Well, for now, Lee Neal is one of the superstars of comics, and he already created lots of popular titles in Marvel and DC. So he did this autograph around 1997.
Okay, we have toys, we have comic books, those are
mangas, Japanese comic books.
Japanese comic books. What else, what categories is also a stock item?
Well, from keychain, from t-shirt, it's from any kinds of. Well, there are people who collect lots of merchandise like posters, cards, anything.
Okay, we have very familiar names here. Attorney Malagkit from Marikina. How can I join the Transformers, or where can I get Mark's t-shirt?
We made this like 2 years ago. We sold it at Toy-Con. That's the last one for like an idea that we just well, actually, it's customized. So we haven't.
But, okay, but with the movie coming up, I'm almost sure that a lot of people would love to have those stickers,
Yes.
the insignias of the Autobots and the Decepticons. Are you selling those stickers? Are you going to
Wow.
those stickers?
Well, we're
Or
planning
is it
to.
going to be a copyright problem?
Well, next year we have a project with the licensing.
Okay, is this part
Yeah, today we have a collectibles Christmas toy fair in SM Mega Mall. It's our last stage of the I'd say a mini toy convention. And the official toy convention will be next year, June 16 and 17 in Mega Church.
How long is this event going to last? I mean,
2 days.
2 days. So today is the last day.
And for now, for the Christmas toy convention.
And then you have other events.
We have next
The
year.
bigger ones.
We have others.
Okay, with that, I'd like to thank Asriel, Miguel, and founder of Transformers. And that's Dateline Philippines Saturday. I'm Ron Cruz. For comments and suggestions, please email at abs-cbn.com. You can also text news 2366 for news updates. Have a great week. Di ba na natin nun, paano tayo mag-remember doon sa Transformers?
Oo nga, no.
Okay, nice! Napunta tayo din sa